In the past years, we encouraged innovation and creativity within the company as a basis for continuous, stable growth. We have been deeply involved in the business of massager items and have achieved great success in the world market. Xiamen Healthy Electronic Company Limited, being a commercial operations center and R&D center fully owned by Xiamen Vanfly Health Science and Technology Company Limited, was founded in Xiamen in 2020 and is part owned by Xiamen Healthcare Electronic Company, founded in 2013. With advanced production equipment, mature technology process, strict management system, and various one-stop service, not only months new product command, package design, and a 2-year quality warranty. Our factory has already undergone social audit 510K, ISO 9001, ISO 13485, BSCI, FCC, EMC. We gained 75 patents, 50 patent items. In 2024 newly increased, 25 patents. Now becoming the supplier of Costco, Aldi, Tesco, USA CVS, Macy, Amart, Hi-Mart, etc. supermarkets. Also passed their GMP, social responsibility, anti-terrorism factory audit. Invest in our quality merchandise, and we are confident that your take part in will be plentiful. We have cooperated with many famous massage brands in the world. Look forward to providing services for you. Trust me, Healthpal will be your best choice. Contact us now. Thank you.
在这春的航道上扬帆起航 Healthpal 充满活力的模样，梦想的火焰燃烧后在心房，创新的路上勇敢去闯，拼着卓越是全球市场的担当，自强不息是我们不变的信仰，沿着智能的节拍传递健康，让世界感受 Healthpal 的力量。 We are Healthpal, full of energy, never give up, always be the best. We are Healthpal, let's use our love, move forward together to reach the top. We are Healthpal, full of energy, never give up, always be the best. We are Healthpal, let's use our love, move